Hi boys and girls, this is grammar lesson number 1. And we're looking at the first page, 106, and we're looking at pronouns still, except now we're looking at whether the pronoun is happening in the subject or the predicate of a sentence. So let's review subject and predicate. So every sentence has two parts, the who that's doing something, and then the what that they're doing. So the subject is the who, and the predicate is the what they're doing. So let's write a couple sentences and check out the subject predicate. Let's see. My cat Biscuit plays all day. So if we look at that sentence, who is in my sentence? Not just the one word, but the whole section of the sentence is my cat Biscuit. And what does she do? She plays all day. So we've divided our sentence into two parts. Let's do another one. The second graders have, can you still see it? Yep. Worked really hard. Sorry for my messy writing. Okay, so who is in my sentence? The second graders. And what did they do? They have worked really hard. So subject, predicate. So now let's look at some where we're using the pronouns, because that's what we'll be doing this week. So an example, I like to work in a group. I like working with my friends and getting work done. So I is the pronoun, that's me. So that's my subject. And what do I do? Like to work in a group. Okay, let's do another one. We have a meeting today. So I will be meeting with other teachers today to talk about the end of school and what cool stuff we can do next week. So we is me and all the other teachers. That's the subject, that's the who. And then what are we doing? We have a meeting today. Subject, predicate. So in the subject, we're going to use I and we. In the predicates, we're going to use different words, different pronouns, me and us. So Mrs. Z works with me. Okay, so this time my subject is Mrs. Z. What does she do? She works with me. And then my pronoun is in my predicate, where here my pronoun was actually my subject. So me is a predicate pronoun. I and we are subject pronouns. There's another predicate pronoun, us. So Mrs. Z works with me. Mr. V helps us with computers. You might not be able to see this, so I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. Maybe you can see most. Mr. V helps us with computers. So the subject is Mr. V. That's who is in the sentence. And what does he do? He helps us with computers. And where is my pronoun? Us. Who does it stand for? Me and Mrs. Z. Okay? So we're looking at the pronouns I, we, and then me, us. So on your paper, section A, it says write I or me, and make sure if you write I that it's capitalized, and fill it in the sentence. So the first one says blank, am working with Tyler, Jake, and Robin. I am working with Tyler, Jake, and Robin. Is it the subject of the sentence? Am I the beginning, the subject? Or is it me am working with Tyler, Jake, and Robin? Is the me in the subject or the predicate? Okay, Tyler asked I to help him, or Tyler asked me to help him. Well, if I look at the whole sentence, Tyler is the subject. which means the rest of it is the predicate. And which word do we use with predicate? Me, okay? Then you're gonna do the same on the bottom, except you're gonna use we or us. Liam is working with we two, or Liam is working with us two.